Hi, Marvin with Precision RV here, just doing a short video, little walkthrough of this latest project. This is a 2016 Newmar Dutch Star, very beautiful rig. We ended up doing 2,000 watts of solar on a special rack system because of the extended skirting on the roof. We did 1,200 amp hours of lithium batteries in the side compartment here with modular solar systems. So they basically are running 3 controllers that are networked together. There's the 1,200 amp hours of batteries, one stuck behind the panel. We moved the inverter to this corner here. That's a hybrid 3,000 watt inverter. All came out nice and tidy, looks very good. The customers have been boondocking for days and days now. They're very happy. Let's take a quick look inside. As we go inside here, just again, this is a 41-foot Dutch Star residential fridge. There's articles on the website about that. They have a nice big TV, lots of lights. The base load amp draw for this RV is 15 amps with no lights on, no TV. That's quite a few amp hours. We ended up placing the monitors and remotes in the front here. We built a little extension here to mount them because there was no place in the other control panel. Here's the Magnum remote. Here is the battery management system display, the BMS system. Here's all the information for the solar. Yesterday at 12 o'clock we were making 77 amps off of the solar. Right now it's a cloudy, hazy day and we're making 47 amps. Sorry, it's a little blurry. And that's just a quick overview. Residential fridge. We also ended up back in this bathroom here. In the electrical panel, they had a inverter with a 30 amp circuit. The inverter was moved to put in the hybrid. Then we did rewiring to make a 50 amp circuit, and then moved the front air conditioner onto the inverter circuit, also the electric cooktop. And that was the #1 item for this customer, is they like their air conditioner. So having the air conditioner on the inverter using their lithium batteries was a very high priority. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, 2,000 watts of solar. We had to build a special rack system because of the side skirting and the Girard awnings. You'll see some pictures of that later. And a new 3,000 watt hybrid inverter, 1,200 amp hours of lithium batteries. And this customer in the last few days is averaging 500 amp hours a day using the batteries, with just their enjoying the TV and dinner and everything else. Enjoy the tour. See you down the road.